Hi beautiful people and welcome to a new video. My name is Leo and today you're cooking with me. Boy, am I glad to see you again. I just love cooking with you. It's so fun. And the meals aren't half bad, let me tell you. They're delicious. Today we'll be making turkey fillets in an aromatic, rich sauce with white wine, vegetables and herbs. Just sit back, relax and enjoy. For this recipe you'll be needing 2 pounds of turkey fillets, white wine, an onion, a carrot, thyme, salt, pepper, lemon, a bouillon cube and garlic. Always prepare your ingredients before you start cooking. Start with the meat. Rinse it under cold water, then cut it into fillets with thickness of your choice. Of course, season the meat with salt and pepper and let it rest. Okay, the meat is done. Now let's do the vegetables. Peel your carrot, then dice it and put it in a bowl. Do the same with the onion. Peel it, chop it finely and transfer it to a separate bowl. And last but not least, the garlic. Peel it too and again chop it finely and transfer it to a bowl. Now that you finally got all the ingredients ready, you won't be getting your hands dirty anymore. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Let's make cooking fun and easy. Grab a pan and put it on the stove. Turn on the heat and let it heat up. Now pour in the olive oil and let it heat up too. Be careful not to burn the olive oil as it tends to burn more easily than its vegetable counterpart. It has a lower melting point. Okay, the oil is hot. Now place the turkey fillet in the pan on medium to high heat and brown it on both sides. Don't cook it all the way through. You'll cook it in the sauce too, so no need for that. Look at all that meat frying in the heat of the pan. You know who I am. Okay, gotta stop. Just thought it'll make time fly by while the meat's cooking. Yes, the meat is done. Now we'll fry our vegetables and begin making the rich sauce. Now place the chopped onion and carrot in the pan, season them with salt and pepper and fry them until they soften up. After they've fried for about 5 minutes, add the white wine, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and thyme and stir well. Let it come to a boil and the alcohol evaporate. After the alcohol has evaporated, add the chopped garlic and the bouillon cube with a glass of water. Now again stir well and let the cube dissolve as the sauce comes to a boil. Lower the heat and let it cook for 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes have passed and we're ready to put the turkey fillets back in the pan. Carefully take the meat and put it in the pan. Cover it with a lid and cook on low heat for 45 minutes. If after cooking it for half an hour you see that your sauce isn't thick enough, you can always take 2 tablespoons of flour, put it in a glass, pour water in and stir until the flour dissolves. Then pour it in the sauce and cook for 10 minutes. Your sauce should be thicker and creamier. But let's get back to our dish. It's finally done. I'm gonna serve it up for you. I hope you're hungry. First comes the rice. There we go. Then the beautiful rich sauce. Oh my god, it looks so good. And finally the turkey fillets. Place them next to the rice and cover everything with the delicious sauce. Voila! Your meat is done. Bon appetit! Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. For more video recipes, check out my channel and start cooking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!